This tutorial demonstrates how to respond to an incoming email using the Knowledge Base FAQ tool in the Contact Center Agent Workspace. Incoming emails are offered along the top of the screen. Click the green button to accept the interaction. The email will populate front and center. Click the reply button at the bottom of the screen to generate a response. As you're replying, you can click on the Knowledge Base icon to review the FAQ response templates and insert a canned text response. The Knowledge Base pop-out menu will appear so you can review the FAQ response templates. Use the checkbox icon to select the right response and choose to either insert it as link or insert as text. The templated text response will be inserted into the email pane. The text can be further edited if need be. Make sure you select your From Email alias and click Send to finalize the reply. The system will provide you with a message sent confirmation notification. The interaction will move into the wrap-up state. Select a wrap-up code, if necessary. Once a code is selected, you can click the wrap-up button to finish the interaction. Your status will shift back to available, so you can move forward to another interaction. This concludes our demo of the Knowledge Base FAQ reply feature. Thank you for watching.